Estrada di Adolfo, Loureiro, Loureiro, Malo. Another damn cool street meandering through the city of streets of Macau. Another view of another part of another area of this damn cool little city called Macau.
Okay, so we're in Macau. We're going to be filming this road of Adolfo Loureiro. We're going to be going kind of near a park right here. There's a little red kiosk. And then we're going to be starting over at this location. I think today it's also I think some of the Burmese community, that might be part of the Burmese community, they'll be in that park. So we're going to walk down that way as well and kind of see. Anyways, we're going to be starting in this Four Corners. We'll just show you where we're at exactly. And then we're going to come around and film this whole street, so I'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so we're going to be going across first, and then we're going to walk, I guess we're going to walk directly across this way first. And what I want to do before we go down our street is I want to capture, hello, I'm going to capture exactly where we're coming at. So I have a 7-Eleven right here. I have all these beautiful balconies, and today's kind of a busy day. And I've always found that building kind of interesting, those big long balconies like that. But we're going to be going back. I was thinking, let's just go back. Okay. So we're going to be going directly down that way. We'll get through everybody here. And we're going to go this way because we're going to walk through that park area. There's a little kiosk right here. I think it's post office. This is like a little park right in here. So I think that's part of the Burmese community. This whole area is kind of known for that. So let's see what that all looks like. It could be Indonesian as well, but I think it's Burmese. Hello. How are you guys? Are you guys from Indonesia? India? Oh, India. Wow. That's great. From what part of India? From like near Myanmar?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Very good to meet you. Wow. So actually that is part of the India community. So I didn't know that that was there. So I think they're near, kind of near where the, hello. Okay. I guess I'll just keep on filming. But I'm kind of curious. So I thought that was, I thought maybe it was from Myanmar. I kind of want to keep on filming and kind of showing you the street, so we're gonna go all the way down. A lot of interesting people around here. So let me let's kind of take a look here. So this is all part of our street. Oh, I'm kind of confused now. So like Myanmar is close to that part of India. So I think that there's like an area of India that's like right next to China, because they said they're from India, right? So maybe I'll try to, there's some other members of the, I think there's some Burmese restaurants down this way. Let me see if I can walk down it just a slight little bit. We're a little bit off of our target street, but there's a lot of Burmese restaurants around here, and I think there was one on this street somewhere. Well, I'm just going to keep on going down our target street. So let me go across like that. Fresh Bite. I wonder if that one is part of the... Huh. I'm so curious now. So we're back on our target street right here. We're going to keep on going down. Let me go across. I'm so curious now. So actually that's our target street right there. Estrada de Adolfo, Loureiro. And that whole beautiful park in that space. Up there is Kyungwoo Hospital, and then up right there is a coffee shop, and there's kind of interesting rooftops up there as well. And then that's that whole park where we saw people of the India community. Huh, I always thought that was Burmese. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. Our street continues. So usually on the channel, here's a Korean place, Korean fried chicken. So usually on this channel, I'll do streets. So we're gonna focus on our street and just kind of whatever we see as they go. But that would have been interesting to interview them a little bit. And I think that the street's gonna end potentially at this Four Corners. But we'll see in a minute. So let me just kind of see where all these streets go in this area. This one goes to, there's a coffee shop over there. I think that one is not, this one could be a continuation, but I don't think so. Let's go over and see. I haven't been here in a little while, but if I remember right, like this is a little five street intersection. So yeah, that is actually, this street right here is a different street. This is called Coyo de Amorelo, which is kind of different. And our target street was this one right here. So maybe it's a little bit short, but maybe it's still kind of interesting. Let's just walk back and then we'll end our video. Secondhand mobile phone market. Some pretty cool balcony windows up there. Okay, so that's our target street, so we're gonna end right there. So a slice of Macau up in, we call it like Gosida area. There's more of the same street, Estrada de Adolfo Loureiro. Just kind of give you some context. I'm up on a different area, kind of exploring today, and then I end up seeing that the street's a little bit more, and I try to capture the whole feeling of the street. From these days, I'm trying to do like almost top to bottom. So because of that, I'm just going to add a little bit more to our target street. So we kind of started kind of in the middle, and now I'm up at the very top, the very base of it. So we're going to walk back towards. I don't think I'm going to film all of it, but I do want to add a little bit more to it. Let me see. sun's kind of going down now. So this is near Victoria Garden. So the bus stop behind me was Victoria Garden, and we're going to be going through Topsec as well. The lights are kind of going down. Yeah. The video is a little bit longer than I wanted, but I do want to add this other part to it. I'll slow down in a second as soon as we get up to our main street here. But now we have these beautiful buildings here. And right here is a cultural tea center. The lighting isn't as great as I was hoping. Yeah, so this street also goes all the way down along these ones. This is 1924, this Topsec area. And we're walking by the museum right now. And that's also that space. Okay. I feel like I'm just kind of adding this on. I don't know if it has value or not. But well, sometimes when I film these streets, you know, there's people that are interested in certain things, like maybe this restaurant to the left, or this Chinese temple right here, or maybe even this little park right here. So this little park will have sometimes they have like performances, all kinds of interesting stuff. And this is a little bamboo. It's nice. So that's also a little bit on our street as well. So my video would be super long, so I don't think I'm going to continue with it anymore. But there's also this little temple in there. If I look in there, I can see the temple. And if I was to walk down further, we would eventually get back. We'd get up to that red kiosk up there, and that would be where I started the video earlier. There's a little bit of action here. I'll keep going. This is kind of cool in here. Plus this is part of the street as well. This smells good. Oh, some fruit. Okay. Albert's Cafe. Oh, it's alley I thought was kind of cool. I feel like I'm going to be walking down the whole thing. Maze Boutique. I think I started somewhere in this area. Right down by the red kiosk. That's all part of our street as well. And then you got this cool looking house. And red kiosk is where we're gonna end our. Let's go across here. I'm gonna end it here, but that's where we started the video, down there by that red kiosk way down there. But anyways, it's kind of adding a little bit more to the street. On that note, we're gonna end the video. Slice of Macau.
Cool street meandering through the city of